you can do better than this. This is absolutely the basic spreadsheet you can make. Black text, white background with a few links and just text all over. But let's do something different. Let's create some nice text. So I select everything here by just clicking between the A and the 1. And then I'm going to change everything to Quicksand. Quicksand is one of my favorite fonts. It's really nice. I like it. I'm going to increase the font a little bit so I can read it a little bit better. But here's 2 more things you can do to make your spreadsheets way, way, way better. So instead of the text color being this absolute black, we can create a custom color. And I want you to remember only one number, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Click OK. That's not all. Click on the fill color, click on custom, and here you just have to remember FB, FB, F8, like a paper color. It's a grayish, yellowish kind of paper. Your spreadsheets are going to look way better just by doing those 3 things. A little different font, a little different font color, and the fill color a little different. If you're looking to do that even quicker, get an extension called Sheet Styles. This is absolutely free, and it's available in the Google Marketplace. And this is what's called Papyrus Style. In one click, I can change everything to Papyrus Style. There's also Papyrus Style, a little bit darker, and Data Management Style when you just need to see all the rows that are different. Dark Style if you like dark mode, but also you can customize your own style and save it here in Sheet Styles. Pretty cool, right? You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.